In this video, we will have a look at the quick and easy way to find turning point in stock market. You will need to have the internet access and Fractal Decomposition Analysis Tool for this video tutorial. Now, go to Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Visit Yahoo Finance. Now follow steps in the screen. Save CSV file into your hard drive for analysis. Now data preparation is done. Please run Fractal Decomposition Analysis Tool. Now we are in the interface of Fractal Decomposition Analysis Tool. To load the CSV file from Yahoo Finance, click Load Data button. Data loading is done. Click Perform Fractal Decomposition button. The software will generate turning point automatically based on ZigZag analysis. It produces ZigZag analysis in multiple cycles. It will produce smallest cycle in top chart, as we scroll down, you will see the turning points in bigger cycle. Underneath the ZigZag analysis, it will produce the turning point probability graph. You can use this turning point probability to predict what will happen next in the stock market. For example, it will help you to predict turning point as well as breakout point. Chart is flexible. You can draw a chart according to the custom resolution setting. The tool can also switch on and off the turning point probability between price and time. This simple free tool can save you the tons of your money throwing into the market in the wrong timing. The successful trader makes the trading decision based on geometric prediction. This software helps you to do statistical analysis automatically at no cost. You might be curious, how does software generate the prediction? Here is the conceptual representation of the calculation algorithm behind this free software. Thanks for watching this video.